Hi everyone, this is Mohit. Today we are going to explore one of the most interesting and powerful feature of UiPath, that is business rules. Basically, business rules are guidelines that define how a process should work and what data is considered valid or invalid. In UiPath Orchestrator, business rules are commonly used when processing transactions through queues. If transaction does not meet the business requirements, it marked as business exception instead system error. For examples, the very first one, invoice amount cannot be negative. Another one, employee ID must exist in HR system. And the last, if expense claim exceeds 50,000 rupees, then manager approval is required before proceeding. You can also visit the official UiPath documentation page for more detailed information. Next, I will open the web URL, that is ppmn.io. If I scroll down, you can see DMN editor, that is used to view, understand, and analyze business decision rules that are defined in DMN model. Let's click on try online, click on create. As you can see, this is decision table editor. If you relate to business rules that we typically defined in PDD, you will also notice that the same rules can be structured here in a more formal and executable format. Let's enter some sample data into this decision table. Input this column as click view DRD. Now we will drag input data element. Point to this. I think we are done and click on download icon. Let's rename to navigate to your UiPath orchestrator. Click on this, click on add and click on again add. Now let's create a new UiPath project. Mention the name of the project. For example, first of all, create an input file that contains records, right? So in this input file, we have two columns, employee ID and invoice amount. Now we will use a simple workflow to read the data and apply business rule to each record. Inside for each, we will use this activity and it's still in preview mode. Select folder path, that is finance. Now select business rule, that is this. Now you can notice two arguments, input and output. See,